How to make sentences for the given word teach. Teach is a verb, right? The meaning of this word is to educate someone or give lesson to students. Like this, I want to teach you English, right? I want to teach you mathematics. So here are the sentences with the word teach, where teach is used as a verb. Look, in grade 1, we have a kind teacher who knows how to teach us math in a fun way. Here, the word teach has been used as a verb. Let us take another example. Let us ask our teacher to teach us a new song for the grade 1 class performance. Here the word teach has been used as a verb. Actually, it is the part of infinitive. Here is the third sentence. You can read here. The teacher used colorful pictures to teach us the names of fruits in grade 1. I think now you are able to write a lot of sentences using this word teach. Teach actually is a transitive verb. After teach, you have to use a object. I teach English, right? Like this. He teaches English.